The function g of x equals a times f of x results from dilating f of x equals log base 2 of x by a factor of a. All right, so g of x is just a times f of x, and f of x is that. Why don't I just write that out? Why do I have to complicate things? G of x is going to equal a times log base 2 of x. Use the table of values below to determine the value of a. Well, I'm not good at finding logs off the top of my head, so why don't I do this? Why don't I change this into its other form, its exponential form? I'm going to just turn g of x into g because that'll make my life easier. And then I'll plop a right there, okay, because I'm allowed to use that formula that says if I have a living in front of a log, I can make it an exponent. So now I have log base 2 of x, okay? If I take 2 to the, of x to the a. That was a close one. If I take 2 to the of both sides, right, that crosses out, and now I have 2 to the g power, or, g of x, is going to equal x to the a power. Now that I have this information, I'm going to use this table to determine what a is. So let me just pick u. Let me pick u. Okay, x is 4. Okay, so 4. A is what I'm looking for. 2 is 2. And g to the x is 10. Well, that's very unpleasant. I don't know what 2 to the 10 is, but you know what I can do? I can rewrite 4 as 2 squared. Multiply these guys, and you have 2 to the 10 equals 2 to the 2a. If 2 to the 10 equals 2 to the 2a, then 10 equals 2a. Try saying that really fast. So if 10 is 2a, divide both sides by 2, and a is 5.